Hey everybody, welcome to What the Health. I'm your host Darwin Moore, and today we have a great show for you. We're going to continue this series on 100 best uses for essential oils, everyday uses for essential oils. So hopefully we provide you with some great information that you can take and use in your everyday life. We're going to make this short and sweet, so hopefully capture the attention of all you out there. Before we do that, I just want to give a shout out to my exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. Cranwood Collection, they make some of the best fragrances out there, all natural, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, phthalate-free, what have you, infused with essential oils, nothing fake, no preservatives, no nothing extra, okay? So what they're gonna be doing is giving my listeners 20% off. You'll see the description below. Promo code is WTH20. Also, as a wellness advocate and consultant, I am involved with different companies, but for essential oils, I am involved with what I think is the best all around essential oil company out there. You'll see the link below also for that. We're giving you guys, all my listeners, we're giving you guys a special deal with a free membership to the site, along with wholesale pricing. So you'll save 25% off of everything. We have everything for, hair, skin, kids, pets, yoga enthusiasts, massage therapy practitioners. So we have everything under the sun for essential oils. And this company is, their stuff is certified pure therapeutic grade. So you're getting the purest stuff out there. They're very responsible and hands-on. Excuse me. Hands-on for the partners that they collaborate with to produce these oils. So you're getting the best stuff out there. So just make sure to check that out below. And we're also going to be giving you guys a free ebook to accompany this series of videos on 100 best uses for essential oils. So you'll see you'll just email me and I will send you guys the ebook. And also, as always, I just want to thank you guys for listening to me. I want to make this a great channel. We're just starting out, but we're seeing some signs of greatness. So just continue to share, like, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can stay on top of everything that we're doing. So with that being said, we're going to get on in this series. We're going to start with number 69. So we've talked about everything from boosting your libido, cleaning your makeup brushes, shaving creams, neutralizing odor and stinky shoes. So we're just going to continue with this. And number 69 is soothing itchy skin. I've done this before. I've used chamomile oil. Chamomile oil, it not only does it help you in relaxing too, like lavender, but it also helps reduce the itching from rashes and allergic things, or bites, mosquito bites, things of that nature. I've used this on myself and my pets. But chamomile oil really, really, really helps in reducing the itching and rashes from any type of allergic reaction or scratch or scrape or cut or whatever. That's a great oil to use. Now, I have a company called Cranwood Collection that sponsors the show. And basically what they do is they create natural fragrances. So just a quick one here. If you want to create a great natural perfume, you can combine jasmine oil and rosemary oil. to make a perfume. Just make sure that you have that in either perfumer's alcohol, or if you just want to roll it on directly to your skin, you can have a carrier oil such as coconut oil or avocado oil or jojoba. You want to use it that way. But just to try and create something of your own, you can blend those two together, jasmine and rosemary. Now they have some Cranwell collection. They have like cardamom infused. They have rose absolute infused, peony, musk. So this is just the tip of the iceberg and kind of getting familiar with all natural essential oil based perfumes and colognes. Pet health. Lavender oil. I've used this on my pets, and it is so calming for them. But it also keeps away bugs and all that stuff from your pets. So what I used to do is I used to have a spray bottle. I'd keep a spray bottle infused with lavender, and I would just spray it on my dog and just rub him down with it from his top of his head all the way down to the bottom of his feet. And it just creates a calm reaction. And so my dog, Roscoe, and after that, he would just lay around chilling, okay? So lavender oil can be very calming for pets. There may be a thunderstorm outside, or they may be in a new environment, and I would just rub them down with my spray of lavender oil and water, and just help them just relax, get rid of the anxiety. So that's number 67. Number 66, with all the stress that's going on in our daily lives, it's always great to sit back, meditate, relax, just slow down everything. The king of essential oils is great for this. And this oil has been around for thousands of years. You go back to the Bible, and that's frankincense oil. Okay, frankincense oil, one of its great uses is to just help create a calming and peaceful environment. Okay, I will have to say that this stuff is so great, and to find a frankincense tree, it's there. There's not an overabundance of them out there, so that's why this is one of the more expensive oils, generally speaking. But like I said earlier, it is considered the king of essential oils, and like it goes all the way back to the Bible. You have frankincense and myrrh, MYHRR, I think it is, but perfect for creating a peaceful environment. Now, if you've ever had, if you want to have or promote lymphatic drainage, cypress oil is great with that. It helps with detox and lymphatic drainage to keep those lymph nodes healthy and whatnot. Number 64, to relieve motion sickness, okay? Could be from flying, could be from being on ships, could even be from sitting in the car. Motion sickness, you can use ginger oil. It helps prevent nausea from motion sickness. So you don't have to worry about using Dramamine or anything like that. Now, I myself, I carry a little packet around. I don't know if you should call it a fanny pack, but no, it's not a fanny pack. And I don't have it here with me, but basically I keep small amounts of different essential oils with me all day, everywhere I go. And ginger oil is one of the ones that I carry around, but I use it for other reasons. But nausea, for motion sickness, it's a great use for this ginger oil, not cypress. If you want to help fight cellulite, okay, I'm not going to limit this to either sex. We all can do better, right? So to fight cellulite, you can use grapefruit oil, okay? Grapefruit oil. It helps prevent, it helps with the appearance of cellulite. So don't have to walk around taking these pills and different potions and whatnot. As I've stated before in previous videos, God has made everything that we need on this earth to help us live vibrantly. So fighting cellulite, grapefruit oil definitely can help with the appearance of cellulite. I think I may have covered this before in some previous videos, but to soothe bug bites, okay? Lavender. Lavender is great for soothing insect bites. I've had, I don't know what it was, but I think I was in Arizona at the time and we just had a bad problem in my area with mosquitoes. Excuse me, with mosquitoes. And my dog and I would be suffering. I mean, at night, those mosquitoes, you want to leave the windows open and whatnot to get some kind of cool air in. And mosquitoes, we had a bad problem with mosquitoes, but lavender oil mixed with, I either would use it with coconut oil or just make a spray with water and lavender and just help soothe and heal those bug bites. So one more great use for lavender. All right, car freshener. Play some cotton balls, just get you some cotton balls. Douse it with whatever you like. It can be lavender. It can be vanilla. It can be lemon. It can be grapefruit. But it beats these little trees and it beats these things you click on to your air vents. And it's all natural. And it does the job. It does the job. So whenever you need to refresh that smell, just put some more drops of whatever oil you choose on there. Just let it sit in there and do its thing. You have a very pleasurable smell, and it's not costing you a lot of money. Okay, car freshener. So that's what we have for today. I want to make these videos quick. I want to hit you quick. Hopefully you have found some good information about some things that you can change with your life, health-wise, and essential oils. So as always, I like to say, please use safety. If you want to apply these to your skin, make sure you're using the carrier oil, patch tests to make sure that there's no adverse reactions. But just practice safety, please. And just getting back to the beginning of the show, I just want to, again, I want you guys to feel free to participate in the show. Bring me your comments. I want to make the show great. We've already started. We've only been around for a few weeks, but we're seeing some good stuff start to formulate. So I always want to keep you guys involved so that we can continue to bring great content to you. So please, I appreciate you guys rolling with me. Just remember to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button so that we can get this information out there. Make sure you check out my exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. Make sure you check out the essential oil company that I'm involved with, doing some great things there. We have basically everything that you need essential oil wise. We're giving you guys a great deal with the free membership for the first year, 25% off everything. And the ebook, where we're just feel free to email me and we'll make sure we get this free ebook of 100 essential oil uses in your inbox. So with that being said, I just want to thank you guys for checking me out today. I hope you continue to do so. Tell your friends, family, what have you. Share this all over the internet so we can continue to do some great things. So I want you all to be healthy. I'm here because I'm passionate about it as a wellness advocate. and consultant, but I am passionate about this stuff. I use this stuff every day, one way or another. So it's not something that I've heard, it's just things that I know. So with that being said, you guys stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Take care.